Little hands, big heart, you carry more than you knew. Through the storms and the long nights, you stay kind, you stay true. If I needed proof, if I needed to see God's grace moving in the world, I saw it looking back at me. In your laugh, in your tears, in the way you held us near. Every scar, every step made a blessing out of fear. I see grace in you. I see grace in you. You shine right through. I see grace in you. I cherish you. I pray for you. May God bless you in all you do. May your roads be wide, may your table always be full. May the years go softly upon you, and be gentle with your soul. May your name be spoken with warmth. May your days always lead you home. May your hands remain strong. May your heart always know love. I see grace in you. I see grace in you. Cherish you, I pray for you. May God bless you in all you do. When your hair turns silver and your steps grow slow, I'll pray you find comfort in the love that you sow. You were kindness, you were light, you were answer, you were sign. If I needed grace to find me, it was standing by my side. I see grace in you. I see grace in you. You shine right through. Bless your days, God bless your years, all the best in life, and all your old age here. I cherish you, I pray for you, may God bless you in all you do.